This is Lori Can Do.
My family and I went to 5 places, 3 countries in Europe in 10 days.
Here are a few tips and things that we learned in our travels. So come join us and don't forget to subscribe. If you're in Dublin, Ireland for a short time, this is 5 top things you can do in 24 hours. Number 1, take an Uber to the Dublin Castle. The grounds are free to walk around, and it only costs €8 to explore the castle. Personally, I think it was worth it. There's a lot of art, a lot of history as well, and beautiful architecture. Here are just a few things I saw there. I loved how they did this on the ceilings. This room was by far my favorite because the paintings look 3D. This is my second favorite because of all the paintings on the ceilings. Next, take another Uber and stop by the Guinness Storehouse. The cost per ticket is €26. This includes 1 pint of Guinness that you get at the Gravity Bar. This place is huge. It has 7 floors. Each floor has something different. It explains to you how they make the Guinness. We were even able to make it to a class that showed you how to drink Guinness properly. Unfortunately, I did not get to record that part. If you don't have much time, you definitely need to stop by the Gravity Bar. It is the top floor and it is a 360 view of the whole city. With your free pint, ask for the Black and Black. It is sweet and smooth. I believe it's a cocktail that they make with the Guinness. If you like sweet beer, definitely get that. You will not regret it. From there, go on a double-decker bus and explore the city. Dublin is decorated with many statues and monuments. Here are just a few of what we saw, including beautiful architecture. We did try to see the St. Patrick's Cathedral, but it was raining, so I did not get to video it. If we had more time, I would have tried this Viking Splash Tour bus. It is an hour and 15-minute long tour of the city, and the best part is that bus actually floats down the river. Next, take an Uber to the country and eat at Johnnie Fox's. Johnnie Fox's is the highest pub in the country and one of the oldest. Many political figures, actors, and singers have come and eaten here. When we came, they had live music in the back. And the food was amazing, you guys. The food in Ireland is pretty rich and very peppery and delicious. I don't know how to explain it. You just have to come and eat here. End your night going to the Temple Bar. It is a popular area in Dublin that is full of bars and restaurants. Say hi! This is my uncle. He's giving us a tour. This place is amazing. Lots of live music. We went to Oliver Street John Go-Karties for the live traditional Irish music. It was definitely a fun time, and all the bands were super talented, especially the violinists. Whatever you decide to do, just have fun. I hope you found this video helpful. Please click thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment down below. This will help me build my channel. Until next time, bye!